Hi guys, today is April 25th, Sunday.
Yeah,
Welcome to my channel. It's payday, YouTuber.
So pizza again.
We are going out and get ourselves some pizza or what? Yan yan! And what is it, Yan? Cheese. Kuan ba?
I'm
Sweldo man, sweldo. For Sweldo. And then also I'm gonna get a PR package. Flawless Beauty, thank you. Thank you so much. Let's go, let's go. Yay, 570. Oh, look at that. Okay, here's our pizza! Woohoo! Yan Yan's favorite pizza! Right, Yan?
This is Fluttershy.
What do you think, Yan?
It's Fluttershy.
Fluttershy.
Like this.
Where's Yan Yan? Where's Yan Yan? Okay. Hey guys, nandito na kami sa bahay. Yan, oh. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Kain na kami sa pizza, guys, ha? Okay. This is the pizza. Looking good. Smells good. And this is
Biker's Original.
Biker's Original. Mushroom and
Mushroom, not mushroom.
Bisaya man. Look at that. It's looking goody. And then that is plato. And there you go. Ooh, looks delicious. Isn't that pretty? Okay, this is what? A wheat dough, right, love? Wheat dough.
Yes.
And very soft. One of a kind. Okay. Yes, dig in. And this is Birdo's cheese pizza for Yan Yan.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, so beautiful, Yan. Delicious.
No.
Who's there?
Impatient cow.
Patient cow who?
Mom.
I think you can eat at least 2 slices, huh?
Just joking. Just making a joke.
Thank you, Daddy, for the treat. Ooh, first slice for Yan. Ooh, hello. Na monster na. Okay, Yan, go. Verdict. All right. Bird. It's a bird.
Bodo's Original.
cornmeal.
Yes. Mm-hmm.
Who even looks under their pizzas?
You.
Smart people.
You check the printing on the bottom.
You gotta make sure it's what you expect.
Right, yeah.
No surprise secrets. Right?
The secret is cornmeal.
Secret is wheat and cornmeal.
Yes, wheat and corn. It reminds me of Chicago pizza. I don't know.
What?
Cornmeal, but the taste, no.
No, it's different. It's very different. Haggard much. Dito na natin i-end ang ating vlog for today. Actually, hindi siya katas ng YouTube, guys. Nagbibiro lang ako. Daddy's treat for the month, pizza, because he wanted to treat Yanis for a pizza. I was just joking about it, about katas ng YouTube. I wish one day it will be a new vlog about katas ng YouTube. Sana one day, you know? But for now, I'm happy about what I earned here in YouTube and also the friends that I gained here in YouTube. So that's it, my friends. This is my vlog for today. Wala lang. Kumain lang ng pizza. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. Until then.